Walk these streets with my head hung low. Shadows wrapped around me like winter snow. Every door I knocked on just slammed in my face. Couldn't find my rhythm, lost inside this place.
Then your voice cut through like morning light, soft but steady, burning, never bright.
You pulled me out of the fire. Now we build our own desire. No storm can shake what we made true, baby. Every breath I